Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today in this quick video I will show with you how to buy Infinity Money Glitch IMG. This is the symbol of this coin. So guys, before start this video is not financial advice, so guys do your own research before buy any cryptocurrency. So guys, let's get started. I'm on this screener guys, and this is the chart of coin. As you can see here, the chart is on the pump here. As you can see here, the liquidity is 593,000 and the price 0.017. This is the price on Sol, and this is good indicator. This is the buyer guys number. If you want to buy, just copy the address and go to your wallet on Solana. From here, click this option guys, and from here you receive this one. Choose the amount you want to pay, for example 10 and or 101. Just copy this address here, this token, click one. As you can see here, you can add, just make sure you have enough money in your wallet and complete this process. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you in another video soon.